Unit second. Point first. From a railway carriage. Question number first. Write six pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Example: witches, ditches, plain, rain, scramble, bramble, plain again, ice, by, battle, cattle, road, load, river, ever. Question number second. Write about the things you why have seen from a bus, train during a journey. Answer. I saw bridges from a train window. I saw a river, forest, tree, garden, mountains from the window of the train. सर थोड़ा ऊपर करो. क्वेश्चन सर क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड के बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड.
हाँ.
Mark use of the internet
Make
such as complete the Guillaume poem by R.L. Stevenson. The wind. I show you toss the kids kites no high, and below the bird about the sky, and all round I heard you pass, like ladies streets echoes echoes the grasses. O wind, a blowing and day long. O wind, and sing of loud a song. I show the different thing you did, but always you yourself you hid. I fit you puss, I had you carry. I cloud not see yourself
I could
at
not see yourself
all.
at all.
O wind, a blowing and all day long. O wind, there sing no loud a song. सर हो गया. सर है आगे.
ये.
Oh, you that are so strong and clothed. Oh, blower, and you young or old. Are you a best of flight and tree? You just a stronger child than me. O wind, a blowing and all day long. O wind, there sing so loud a song.
Okay, very good. Now other student will read next page. So yeah.
यस सर.
हाँ, ये किसका बाकी होगा ना, मैं ये किसका बाकी होगा लिखने का तो मैं ग्रुप पे भेजता हूँ. ओके, कंप्लीट करना.
सर बोलो.
ये किसका बाकी है क्या सॉल्व करने का?
नो सर.
हाँ,
मेरा
ग्रुप
तो
पे
नहीं
भेजता
है.
हूँ तुम पढ़ाई करने के लिए. हाँ, रीड करो.
ओके ओके.
सुविनियर.
यस सर. 2 point unit 2. 2.2 the souvenir. Yes. Question number 1. Find meanings of the given words. First, astronomy. Study of everything is universe. Beyond Earth Earth has atmosphere. Second, astronaut. A person who travels in a spacecraft. Question number third, souvenir. Souvenir. Something that you keep to remind you of somewhere. Fourth, space shuttle. A partly usable low Earth orbital spacecraft system. Question number 2. Read the passage and answer the question given below. सर ये सर ये पैसेज भी रीड करूँ मैं?
यस.
Apollo 11 blasted off on July 16, 1969. Neil Armstrong, Evening Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins were the astronauts on Apollo 11. 4 days later, Armstrong and Aldrin landed on the moon. They landed on the moon in the lunar module called the Eagle
हाँ
on
lunar
July
module
20. Oh,
हाँ
sorry.
lunar module called the eagle
Oh, lunar, lunar module
हाँ
called the Eagle.
yes
On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon.
okay now other student will
Question,
read question answer other student will read हाँ खुशी
Hello, sir.
हाँ read
Yes, sir. Question number 1. Who was the first person to land on the moon? Answer.
Armstrong
Neil become the first human to step on the moon. Second, what was answer? The shapes
space
vehicle that create
carried
their
carried
army can
the space
carried
vehicle that
the
carried
three
American astronaut to the moon
astronauts to the moon and back in July 1969. Third, question number third. Name the lunar model. Answer the Eagle. 4. Name the astronaut missions in the passage. Answer Neil
strong
Armstrong,
Edwin Buzz
Buzz Aldrin, and Musical Clones
Michael
were
Collins
the
Michael Collins
uh, Michael Collins. Question 5. On which date did they land on the moon? Answer July 20, 1916. Sir, PDF ऊपर करो.
okay now other student will read
Hello,
read
sir.
हाँ other student will read now who is remaining Akshara
यस सर कौन सा पढ़ूं?
question 3
3. Question number 3. Find information about missing Chandrayaan-2.
नहीं नहीं find information about mission Chandrayaan 2 मिशन है वो
कौन
मिशन
सा सर?
मिशन है ना वो मिशन
हाँ.
मिशन है ना मिशन चंद्रयान 2
Mission Chandrayaan-2.
हाँ बराबर
Chandrayaan-2 mission is a highly complex mission which represents a significant technology leap compared to the previous mission of ISRO. It compressed an orbit lander and rover to explore the explored south pole of the moon. The mission is designed to expand the lunar significant technology through detailed study of to- topography, topography,
हाँ
seismography,
seismography
mineral
mineral
intensity
identification
and distribution, surface chemical composition, physical
thermo thermophysical
character of topsoil and
Thermophysical characteristic.
competition
Thermophysical characteristic.
characteristics
Yes.
of topsoil and competition of the technos
Composition.
lena- uh,
Compo
composition
of
of the
tenors
tenors linear
lunar
atmosphere,
atmosphere.
lending a new understanding of the origin and evolution of the moon.
Okay.
Question number 4.
Now other
What
student will read.
mistake did Sally?
Now mute and other student will read. Who is there? Raise your hand. हर्षवर्धन. आशीष, इसके बाद आशीष रीड करो. हर्षवर्धन गए. कोणी आचेलाल चव्हाण. Unmute and read. Now unmute and read. Question number 4. Yadna read.
Or what?
रेहान का आवाज. रेहान read. यादना इसके बाद करना. रेहान करो.
Question number 4. What
Yes, sir.
mistake? What? Hello, sir.
करो ना.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes.
Question number 4. What mistake did
Siley made.
make when she bought the evening? Answer the mistake Sayali made what
Sayali नहीं. Siley है.
What?
Siley.
to buy.
रेहान.
Shairi, sorry.
Siley है. Siley.
Shairi made
हाँ.
Shaili made what to buy was to buy
Earring.
earring.
Earrings. Earring माने कान में लड़कियां पहनती ना. Earrings. According to the
Earrings according to the gravity of the moon. Hinky
Henki किधर है?
when she came
Hence है वो hence. Hence when she came home.
sorry.
Hence है वो. Hence क्या बोलते हैं?
When she came home. Sorry, sir, home. Earring were
Heavier.
than before. Heavier than before.
मोबाइल हॉरिजॉन्टल पकड़ो, फुल स्क्रीन दिखेगा, फिर अच्छा दिखेगा. ऐसा तुम लोग स्ट्रेट वर्टिकल पकड़ते हो ना. मूवी देखने के लिए कैसा पकड़ते हो, ऐसा पकड़ने का. ओके. हमारा टीवी कैसा रहता है, हॉरिजॉन्टल, वैसा पकड़ने का. नाउ अदर यादना रेज योर हैंड. यादना रीड नेक्स्ट.
You need to Abdul Kalam Kotiya. Question number 1. Answer. Continue effort to do or achieve something. Split difficulties. Failure or opposition. Second, determination. The quality of having firmly declared to do something. Question number 2. How do you take care of your book.
नाउन में
Right
मीटिंग विल बी
and
ओवर इन
Last
ओवर, अभी
3
मीटिंग
points.
ओवर हो जाएगा, फिर से ज्वाइन करना है सबको. ओके. हाँ,
Sir. Answer. Does and
do's and don'ts.
done for
Do's
taking
and don'ts for taking care of personal books at home.
Sir, taking care of your personal book at home. 1. To keep